Hello and welcome to Onwan app overview. As you all know, right now Saudi Arabia require all the orders in Saudi should have the short address national code. And for this, we come up with Onwan app, which is a all-in-one app to capture the national address from your customer in a very easy way. We have three stages of the capture. We have the stage one where we capture the information pre-checkout before the customer reach the checkout. We have the stage two where we capture the information inside the checkout, and we have the third stage after the checkout. We can start by the first, which is the pre-checkout. If you activate this option, you can capture the user information before he reached the checkout on the cart level. We can see it right here. This is a store that we have this feature activated in. Once you click on checkout, you will be asked to fill in your phone number. This is an OTP feature that you can enable where the customer will receive an SMS on his phone number. And after he put the OTP he received, the system will synchronize with SPL and return the full address of that customer. If you don't activate the OTP and you want the user to fill in his short address, he can do so by clicking here, I know my short address, and he can fill in his short address. After that, once he finish and he approve the address, it's the one that he need to use, he can click continue to checkout and all this information will be passed to the checkout. So he doesn't need to retype them again. Then we have within the checkout. So here we have two options. The first one is for non-plus stores, which is basically we go and we change the name of this address. It used to be the address number two, and we change its name to short address. And whenever someone reach the checkout and input his short address here, the app automatically verify it and fill the order in the backend. And you can go to your store and see the order with the short address captured with his full address. It looks like this, so usually users need to input it here. One thing that we can't do with this is we can't auto verify it because Shopify doesn't allow us to add scripts to this page if you are a non plus user. That's why we have the native checkout field. This is a Shopify Plus only, where we can have interaction inside the checkout field. Let's see it in action. So basically, this is how it looks like on Shopify Plus store. We have two options, same with the pre-checkout. If the user knows his short address, he can type it directly, and the system automatically verify it. As you see, it's verified, and the informations are filled here. If he doesn't know his address, he can always get an OTP in his phone number where he can put his phone number here, receive an OTP, and automatically the system will save his address. Now for the post checkout, this can be used standalone or it can be used alongside the other options. It's up to you. So we have a thank you page widget. So let's say the user finished the process, and if you have set the fields already as optional, he might not fill his national address. That's why we add this step if you want to activate it, where if the system detects that there is no short address related to that order, he showed this widget where the user can just type his order, his short address here, click verify, and it will be saved to his to his order. And now this is also part of the post checkout. Let's say the user skip the checkout, the thank you widget. We send automatically, if you configure it to be automatic, we send emails in WhatsApp to the user. For example, he receive an email like this. Once he click, he see this page where he can type his short address. Once he click verify, it can be synced to the order. We also send WhatsApp notifications as well if the user has filled in his phone number and it has WhatsApp. And of course, you have the consent to send him WhatsApp messages. So he receive it like this. So basically, we have all of these methods. It's up to you to choose which one that fit to your need. You can either make it optional first, then require it again, or gate it first to make it required. In the next step, after you install the app, you have the option to choose which method you want to use, and the app will suggest to you the instructions. If you need any help with the setup, our team can help you. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, via the chat, or via email. We'll be happy to help you set it up. And if you have any suggestions, you can always reach out to us. We will be happy to help. Thank you for choosing Unwan, and let's start collecting these national addresses.